Hi guys, welcome back to a day in the life. I'm going to work out right now, and then I'm going to do some errands, and then I don't know what else exactly, but I'm going to take you guys along because I need to finish vlog week, and I've been slacking real hard. But we're going to get back on the grind. You guys like my little PJ fit? I'm about to change, so 1, 2, 3. Bam. Okay, we here, we made it, we in the field. Do you guys see? Check it out. It's a beautiful day. So to start off, we're gonna run around this little like baseball field for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna go into some other workouts. Okay, so then once I finish this, I'm going to go back to the lunges and repeat them all again 3 more times. So a total of 4 reps for each of them. Okay, now I'm going to do this 15 times. And then I'm going to do, I believe it's called fire hydrants, 12 sides on each leg. Okay, and now I'm going to do like side kicks out 12 times on each leg as well. Okay, then you're gonna repeat all of that in the order that I did 3 more times. Then once you do all of those sets for 4 to 3 times each, I like to end my workout with another 5-minute run around, and that's just like a little workout I like to do when I don't go to the gym, and I learned a lot of that stuff from going to the gym with my personal trainer. And we back and we better. What's up? Okay, so I'm about to take you guys on some errands with me that I'm about to run. So I gotta go to the grocery store, get some stuff to meal prep, and I want to go get coffee because I'm so tired and I'm hungry as fuck too. So I want to get a burrito. I'm craving like a burrito right now. I've been breaking out a lot lately and I'm not sure why, and it's really bothering me, but I've been using tea tree oil and it's actually been helping. So if you're breaking out, I recommend getting tea tree oil and just putting it on your breakouts, and in the morning it helps them go down a lot. So good to know. Look how long my hair has gotten. Damn, it's so long. I need a haircut. This is my outfit today. It's pretty basic. Only if you give too much of me. Only if you give too much of me. Back in business. I'm at Starbucks, and you guys, I have a new Starbucks order because the last order that I was getting that I shared with you guys on my previous vlogs is way too sweet for me now. Like, I don't know how I was drinking that, but that was so not good. And the guy in front of me is looking at me through his little rear mirror, and I could see his face, and I feel weird as fuck. Can I get a grande hot vanilla latte with soy milk?
Anything else?
And that's all. Gang gang. I'm feeling a little like thrown off with the vlogs. Like, I haven't vlogged in a while, so my rhythm's thrown off. So I'm like, I don't even know what to talk about. I don't even know how to vlog anymore. But we doing it. We doing it. We doing it. I got the Starbucks app, and I barely be getting free drinks. It's pathetic. Thank you. Have a good one. Oh, for a second I was like, am I missing something? But I'm not. Now, we're about to go to Takoya. Update. This Starbucks tastes like ass. It doesn't have flavor. It just tastes like I don't know, water and like coffee. It's pretty awful. I got a burrito with Beyond Meat, cauliflower rice, beans. This is pretty fire. This I recommend. This fulfilling my desires. Update. I went to Vaughn's and they had a Starbucks in Vaughn's, so I told them to remake my drink and they did it for me and it tastes a lot better now. So we good on that. So I'm gonna give you guys a little grocery store haul. I didn't get much. I just got stuff to meal prep a meal for the next few days and I'm gonna make it and show you guys a little bit later. I just don't feel like making it right now. So I got my cereal I be eating every morning. You already know. And then I got a bunch of these rice mix packs because they're super easy to make and I really like them. So it's a quinoa and brown rice mix with garlic. And I got coconut oil because I love to cook with coconut oil. I can definitely taste the difference and I feel like I just like it a lot better with coconut oil. Also, coconut oil is good for you, so it's good to cook your food in it. I got one of these, the Koi protein that I love. You guys probably seen it from my last videos. They only had one left and they've been selling out a lot lately, so that's so sad. But at least I got this one or else I would have probably bought like 5 of these. And then I got some bananas because I'm going to try to eat oatmeal again. I got some green beans. I've been obsessed with green beans. Obsessed. And I got broccoli. I got the Beyond sausage. It's fire. Some hummus. And some carrots. Hey guys, we're just chilling. Eating Oreos. Just eating Oreos. Roman's over there. Business talking.
Business talking and walking.
Aliens do exist.
Aliens exist, guys.
Do you want to use music in the background?
Cats are aliens. All you do is lie to me.
Taking me for granted, I can tell.
Taking me for granted, I can tell.
I can tell.
Boom.
Kitty Bell with the blunts.
No, I'm not. What? What is the blunt?
I just opened up the cupboard and Katie's drink has probably just been in here for who knows how long. Did you forget you left your drink? It was just in there. I got all my snacks.
The property, a cliffside with walls made ocean, but
I'm accumulating a lot of really cool hoodies and it makes me really happy. Some of them I bought and then some of them just came to me from like collabs and shoots, but this one is my favorite at the moment. I got this one at Sorella on Melrose. I just think it's dope. Fly hoodies only. Fly hoodies only. Oh, I like this one a lot too. It says milk on the back. Okay guys, so now I was just chilling for a little bit as you guys saw, but now I'm gonna go meal prep for tomorrow. Okay, so I just meal prepped all of that. I didn't eat any of it because I'm not hungry. I'm just saving it for tomorrow. And right now I'm about to make a bedtime snack, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm about to make. Listen into the new drink, like. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I'm about to edit this and then I'm about to go to bed. So I hope you guys have a good day, night. I don't know when you're seeing this, but like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and bye.
I'll see you later, BB.
See you guys later, BB. Oh, please don't stop the music, music, music. Please don't stop the music, music. It's pink in my room. Okay, for real though. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.